Alright, so there are different niches in design. It's branding, video production, VFX, UI/UX, you name it. So each niche has applications, the tools required, experiences required to do well in each one. So we're going through some of these things. Alright, so the first one, branding and design. This is basically the most popular part, most popular niche in the design industry. Apps we use here are Photoshop, Illustrator, Indesign, CorelDRAW. I never use that. Have never used that word. XD and Figma. And then we have video production. Video production apps, Davinci, that's for color grading, editing. We have Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is for editing. You can color grade too, but then industry standard is Davinci Resolve. And then we have motion graphics, animation, VFX. We have apps like After Effects, Cinema 4D, Houdini, Blender, 3D Max. So these are all apps. I think the industry standard will be Blender, Cinema 4D, After Effects. Actually, they're all very useful apps. There is no one industry standard app. Alright, so these are just a few of the niches we have in design. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if this was helpful, if you have any questions. If you need tutorial videos or insight into what these apps can do, just hold on for a few weeks, months, I don't know, whenever we shoot next. See you soon. Nope, I've said see you too much. Bye.